Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Tiana. Today is Vlogmas day 3 for me, at least. I'm not sure what we're gonna do today, and I'm not gonna say it because yesterday I said that we're gonna do something and I didn't have time. But I believe that I need to put out the little Christmas town for my mother. I asked her to take the stuff down. So we'll see. If not, I have a DIY project that I want to do, that I at least want to get started with. I have to like sand down some stuff. So we'll see. I have to go to work right now, so I will see you guys in like, it's 8 o'clock. So I'll see you in like 9 hours. All right. Actually, before it becomes nighttime, I did want to, sorry. It's because y'all are already set up for me to drive. I did want to, those are just my beads, okay? I did want to show y'all what I got to start decorating my cubicle. I went to Dollar Tree yesterday and I got these 3 little thingies. I got this one. This one just says Merry Christmas and it has the little presents down here. I have 2 sides on my cubicle that are like glass, so I wanted to put those on there. I have these. And then I bought these as well. These are so cute. They're like little icicles and they're silver. So we'll see what I come up with, what I start doing. I do have a candy dish that I want to take. I have it here in the house. So we'll see. Buenas tardes, gente bonita. Well, I just got home. I gotta get out of this work clothes. And I'm gonna get started on, actually my mom made pozole, so I'm gonna heat that up, and then I'm gonna get I'm gonna eat that, and then I'm gonna get all my stuff ready so I can do my little DIY project with y'all. Alright, so I'm back. I had pozole, as you guys saw. Quick question. My husband doesn't eat tostadas with his pozole. Do you guys eat tostadas with your pozole? Because for us, that's normal. Let me know down below. Just you know, curious. Anyways. So I told you guys that I wanted to do a DIY project. So I bought these from Dollar Tree. They are little like ornament type things, or shaped boards. They have this metal here that looks like the little hanger, and they say Merry Christmas. This one says Let It Snow. I don't want to keep them the way they are. I wanted to sand this down, paint it white, and then give it like a wood type of finish. I don't know if you guys saw, I made one that the fall one. I made one like that, and that one looks kind of like wood grainy-ish. So I kind of want to do that, and I want to put a bow here, and then I want to put some like little leaves, some little leaves here, and then I want to put Verástegui on one and Perales on the other one. If you guys don't know, Verástegui Perales is my last name. Verástegui is my middle name and my maiden name, and Perales is my last name. So I wanted to do that with these. So today I'll probably just sand it down and paint it white and let it dry. And I'll show y'all that. But really quickly, I did want to go ahead. I just got some shirts that I'm gonna make, and I really just wanted to sort through those, and then get started on this and edit tomorrow or yesterday's video. So I'll be back. All right, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with our little project. I'm going to show you everything that I'm using. Everything you can either get from the dollar store, Dollar Tree, or use things that you have lying around.
I got most of these things at the Dollar Tree, for the exception of the paint. Well, I'll show you. Yeah. So, you want to get these type of decorations. I guess this is what they look like in the front. They have this metal piece here. They have this little sign here that just says decor, and then it's blank on the back. I would use the back normally, but I really like this little piece of metal here. And so it comes on both of them like this. The only thing that I really do not like is that some of these letters have glitter on them. It is much harder to sand down glitter, but we can make it work. So I'm using 2 of these. Again, these are from the Dollar Tree, so $1 each. I'm using this roll here. It's just this kind of paper thing. We have a whole roll of it. You can just either lay down newspaper or whatnot. I just don't want to get the carpet dirty, so I'm just gonna tape this to the floor, which is why I need tape. You can get masking tape at the Dollar Tree. I also have sandpaper sheets. I have several kind. I just grabbed these from my parents. I don't know. I mean, you can just get them at Home Depot. I don't know exactly how much they are. And then I have this apple barrel, just matte white paint, which is what I'm going to use. Again, this isn't from the Dollar Tree, but Dollar Tree does have white paint. And then, of course, scissors and a brush. You can get brushes at the Dollar Tree. So, let's get assembled. Done sanding these down. They're gonna look like this. I didn't sand. Basically what I did was I sanded it down enough to get the shine off of it and to get the glitter off. So I'm just gonna grab a wipey and just clean it off to get all that excess crap off of it. Okay. All right. And so that's what it's going to look like. Set it aside. And I don't know if you guys saw it, but this sheet, it's 9 by 11. And I just cut it in 4s. And I just used one portion of it. And there's still a whole lot left on here. So I'm just going to do the same to this one. Alright, I'm going to let these dry for a little bit, and then I'll come back to them, okay?
Okay, so the ornament thingies are all dry, so we're going to go ahead and get started with painting them. I think for tonight, all we're going to do is paint them. That way they can sit out to dry, and then tomorrow I'll go ahead and go in with the dry brush. So yeah, we'll go ahead and do that, and then we'll pack my lunch and then we'll go to sleep.
friends, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Tomorrow we will continue with the little ornament that I was making, and possibly I don't know, do something else. Yeah, that's paint. But yeah, tomorrow we'll go ahead and continue finishing off that ornament, or ornaments, I should say. Hopefully we can complete it all. I'll do the dry brush, and then it's really bugging me. And and then maybe we'll go ahead and cut out the names and all. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in to Talking with Tiana. Don't forget to leave any comments down below. Let me know your favorite part of the video. Let me know if you have any DIYs that you're working on. And I'll see you tomorrow.